All right, guys, we are back again with another body weight exercise. If you thought the burpees were fun, just wait till you see this one. This movement is called pistols. If you've never done a pistol before, it's a very difficult movement, but once you learn it, it's going to really help to benefit you in other areas of CrossFit. So, we got Dan here. He's a pistol machine. He's going to show us how it's done. They call him Pistol Pete, even though his name is Dan. I don't understand that. But what he's going to do is he's going to get into a pistol. So, he's going to be on one foot. Okay, he's going to keep one leg straight out, extending that leg out as much as he can while going into a squat. So he's kicking his butt back, good squat all the way down, good position, balancing is with his hands, and he's going to extend all the way up from the top into a top position, standing tall once again. So back down into that pistol, driving from his heel, counterbalancing with his hands, exploding at the top, okay? This is a difficult movement to do, as you can imagine. If you're having trouble with this movement, what you can do is hold a dumbbell, hold another weight, something that can counterbalance, and you'll be able to do that squat a little bit easier until you get to the point where you can do it like Dan with no weight whatsoever. So try those pistols, or even better yet, come on into CrossFit Reach and we'll show you how to do them. Pistol Pete?
Yeah, Pistol Pete. I like it. And Blair. Keep you interested when you're watching. Not that boring. Okay, here we go. And Slade.
Pistols wide, take one.
And action.
Hey guys, it's Robbie here once again, and we are back with another video. We got a great body weight exercise, and if you thought those burpees were awesome, just wait till you see this one. We got Dan here, and we're going to be demonstrating pistols. Are you ready to demonstrate pistols, Dan?
Ready. Pistol.
All right.
Pistol Pete.
Little known fact, they call him Pistol Pete, and to be honest with you, I don't know why, because his name is Dan. So, having said that, we're going to go into the exercise itself. So a pistol is executed on one foot. All right, so Dan's going to pick one foot, right or left, doesn't matter to start, and he's going to extend his other foot forward. And while he's doing this, he's going to be bringing his hands out, going into a one-legged squat, coming all the way down, holding it nice and tight there, okay, using his hands as a counterbalance, and then standing up tall, driving through his heel. It's really important you stay in control. Use those hands to counterbalance, and if you lose your balance at all, try that, okay? So once again, he's going to go into it again, nice and slow, controlled, driving through his heel, and back up to the top, just like so. All right, so guys, that's what the pistol looks like. It may look like it's a lot of work to do, and it is, but if you come to CrossFit Reach, we'll show you how to make it a lot easier. We sure will.
Got it.